name is Sergio Barrera. I'm the CDO of this company, Virtualware. And in the Master XR project, I'm leading the technological consortium of a lot of people working in our platform, which is called Viro. And I'm trying to coordinate technology and making integrations between platforms and so on. I thought it was a great idea to try to abstract the complexity with robotics and virtual reality and try to mix it together. And I thought it was a great challenge, so I liked it a lot. It's everything related with the abstraction, with allowing users, programmers of robots, to use digital twins, to use virtual reality environments which are behaving like the real things, like real robots, allowing them to iterate quicker in some processes of training, developing new processes, creating new layouts of factories and stuff like that, but without having to have the real things, making them working in an earlier stage. In this project we are covering some way very hard abstractions of robotics mixed with virtual reality, and what we are doing is to create a way to interact with the other side, but you do not need to really know if you are interacting with a robot or not. The idea is I'm going to interoperate with something which is behave like the robot, or maybe it's the robot itself, but not necessarily I need to know if I'm working with the real stuff or not. And that abstracting is very hard because it needs to behave as it's going to be in the real life. But if we got it, it's going to be possible to have, for instance, a set of robots which are not so easy they are not affordable, but I'm going to be able to work against them as if I had them. The XR industry in Europe is a set of small and medium-sized companies. On one side has the ability to be very creative, to be very innovative, and to allow us to research a lot. But in the other side we are small, so we need to join this kind of consortiums to be more powerful and to allow us to develop these kind of products and to allow us to compete in this world. So a project like this, a project like Master XR, allows us to join forces, our companies like ours, to achieve goals that couldn't be possible for small companies. The XR industry in Europe, I think, is very focused on industry, and apart from the noise, the existing noise in the domestic use of the XR, here in Europe we are creating great products. We are very focused on software, and I think that our future is to continue creating this kind of easy-to-use user interfaces, to create simple user experience for industrial use cases. So I think our focus should be focused on enterprise use of the XR.